available from the repairsuniverse.com website, remove the 6 screws as being pointed out here now in the video. Once all the screws are removed, using a safe pry tool, run it along all the edges of the phone, releasing the clips, allowing you to remove the back frame from the rest of the phone. Next, you need to release the 3 ribbon cables from their connectors. Using a safe pry tool, peel back the tape and then open the jaw connector. With the jaw connector open, you can then release the ribbon. Do the same thing for the other 2 ribbon connectors. With the ribbon cables disconnected, remove the small Phillips screw in the top right corner. You can now gently lift out the motherboard. Next, remove the power button and also the volume button from the phone. Next, remove the camera from the phone. This will pry up using a safe pry tool. Next, using a safe pry tool, run it along the edge of the glass in between the glass and the plastic to pry the glass away from the plastic frame. The glass is just held to the frame with a small bit of adhesive. Lift the glass, but be careful as there is still a ribbon cable which you will need to ease through the small gap.